Hi, it's Chris Ravenscroft. I own Coberline. Thanks for checking out a video. It's August 11th, and we're still in the midst of this COVID pandemic, and it's actually affected the scheduling of our business. With so many people still staying close to home, and in many cases living year-round or full-time in a second home, more and more systems need emergency services, and we're finding that on a daily basis. So what we've done in order to handle these emergencies is we've scheduled a little bit differently. We may now be scheduling a regular service out 5 to 7 days. And I just want to let you know that if we do that, it's only to allow some space in our schedule for emergencies. If you have an emergency, we'll do our best, and most of the time we can fix it the same day. But if you just have a regular service, we may ask you to wait 5 to 7 days. As usual, we'll call you the night before, and I promise we won't forget you. So if you can have a little patience so we can get to those systems that are shut down and not functioning, we'd really appreciate it, as would our other customers. Really appreciate you checking out our video. There's more information on our YouTube channel. Feel free to check us out there. If you have any comments, feel free to leave those below. And of course, if you like this video, please share it. If you're a customer, we appreciate your business.